So Zarek watches come in a very cool travel case. And there's the Leadfoot. You probably don't know what a driver's watch is, but a driver's watch is any watch that lets you view the time on the side of the watch. So when you're driving, hand on the steering wheel, you can still read the time. Versus normal watches, right? You'd have to turn your hand. But on the driver's watch, you can actually read it from the side. So it's very cool. Instead of just having the time on the side like most driver's watches, they give you the option to read the time on the top of the watch. And another thing that's unusual about this watch is that it features a single-handed hour display. So there's no minutes on the top. It's just one hand tells you the hour, and then the minutes are on the outside track. The top display on the Leadfoot is powered by a Miyota 9 series, which is their highest movement that they make, versus the 8 series. So you can see the rotor on the back. And then it also has a feature of this is the fuel gauge. It's a power reserve that's reminiscent of a fuel gauge. So empty on the left and then full on the right. Alright, let's put this thing on the wrist.